Fashionistas, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making rock rings using DecoArt pouring medium. Now, before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some rock rings. You can use DecoArt pouring medium for everything from paintings to jewelry and home decor. It's all up to your imagination. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave DecoArt a comment, and I will see you next week. Bye.